Hello teacher. Are you looking for an efficient way to send personalized emails to your students? Try the Mail Merge feature on MS Word. Step 1. Open the Word document. Click on Mailings. Start Mail Merge. Click on the step-by-step Mail Merge wizard. Step 3. Select the document type. It refers to the main body of your emails. Step 4. Click on Use Current Document and add the template you wish to send to the students. Step 5. To select the recipient list, click on Browse and select the recipient list from your computer. Step 6. You can write the letter now. Edit the student names as per requirement. Step 7. In case you want to exclude a recipient, you can make the changes. Step 8. Click on Complete the merge. Step 9. Select Email Messages from Finish and Merge field. Select Current Records. Click on OK. With this feature, you can send personalized emails to multiple recipients, saving time and ensuring that all students receive the correct information. For more such tech tips from Innerscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.